Today we're going to cover some very basic turns, man's natural and reverse, ladies' natural and reverse, coming from the turning basic. Another thing you need to know about turns is there comes a time in the dance when one of the partners has to take what we call a break step. The break stops movement. There are several different breaks in hustle. In this case, your most basic break, however, is simply this. And one, break, recover. I take my normal and one, take the back foot, cross it in front, break, push back to your original position. There you have it. For the lady, you have and one, back comes to the front and you break, return, again, and one. Back foot comes to the front, tuck, push back, and there you have it.